Underwater, several roads impassable in at least 2 communities outside Slaggerville, St. Catherine, following heavy downpour. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, licensed firearm holder shot and killed as he attempted to foil a robbery in St. Elizabeth. And security minister insists police are monitoring those behind criminal activities in Mandeville. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.